24 minutes after 10 o'clock. Welcome to Ask a Man. It's a Friday edition. We've got Anonymous on the line. Of course, Somizi's here as well as a naked DJ. What did you say?
Maybe Fridays should be the Jam Early version of
No,
Ask a
no.
Man.
I was thinking
Please
so
no.
much yours.
No, I beg, no.
Amlahle bangani, amlahle,
Oh.
amlahle.
That's funny.
5, 4, 3, 2, your time is up.
Sorry. Good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, thanks, and you.
Morning. How are you guys?
Aw,
Hi. I can bet he has no clue what we're talking about. Anonymous, do you know Jam Early?
Yes. I can hear it.
You can hear it.
Yes.
Aw.
Do you know Jam Early?
All right.
Okay, I guess
Jam.
he can't hear us.
Yeah.
Anonymous, can you hear us?
Yes, I can everything. Yes, can you hear me?
I can everything.
Wait.
Hey.
Let me read the house rules, ne?
Okay.
Before we get confused.
Can you hear me now?
Loud and
It's
clear.
gonna be a long one.
Very loud and clear. Okay. All right.
All right.
Anonymous, respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Yes, I do agree.
All right. We're listening. What's wrong?
Yes. It's a little bit difficult, but because I've been in love with this girl for about 3 years. So everything was well until, because I was unemployed by the time when I started to be in love with. We were staying until we got a place for our own. Then we together each and every time.
Sorry, Puti.
Until I
Anonymous.
got a
Anonymous.
job.
Anonymous.
Hello.
Hi. Please
Hello?
try to speak slower, ne? We can't really hear you. Relax. You're in a safe space. So carry on. You said you've got a what? A belief.
Yes.
Okay, carry on, Puti.
All right. This girl, we've been in love for almost 3 years now.
Mm-hmm.
Because at the first time when we meet, I was unemployed, and then we had enough time to see each other because we had a place that we were staying together in.
Mm-hmm.
So until I got a job this year early,
Congratulations.
then that job makes me to be far away from her. So then since I've been far away from her, she started to drink a lot. People, they call me and tell me that your girl always drinks from Monday to Sunday. So then I really love her. So then I really don't know what to do now because I wanted to marry this girl.
Have you spoken to her about her drinking habits?
Yes, I've spoken to her, but she always tells me that she's not used to be far away from me. That is why most of the time she's doing that.
Anonymous, where does she go drinking? Uphuza.
Matave.
Oh, so that's the real problem, ne? I mean, if at least she was having 1 or 2 nyana endlini.
Yeah,
That's
that
okay.
Was,
Mara
that
manje.
was gonna be better.
But manje ugcwele istrati nje. Uphuza
Ugcwele
emathaveni.
istrati nanga,
Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday.
Aye,
every day.
it's impossible. Serious.
Yes.
Oh, shame, man.
Do you guys have a kid?
Yes, we do have a kid. That is why I'm so worried because that child is almost 8 months now.
Is the child breastfeeding?
Yes.
So she's breastfeeding, but she's drinking every day.
Yes.
Anonymous, please, Ngela, take time to answer this one. Your woman is breastfeeding. your child, but she's
Yes.
drinking every day.
Yes.
And you do know how much of an urgent intervention is needed here. Like this is
Yes, yes.
this is literally no child's play. Like this is very urgent. This is an urgent situation. And yes, people are telling you that she's drinking every day, but do you have proof? Is she drinking every day?
Because I can able to hear every time when I talk with her on the phone. I can hear that this person is drunk.
Anonymous, let's hold it here. We're going to continue after the news headlines. Please don't drop the line, okay?
Yes, yes.
We're coming back now. It's 10:30. Khopedi Dilokwe coming through. It's 31 minutes after 10 o'clock. It's Ask a Man. Welcome. Thank you very much for joining us. Anonymous is on the line. Summary before we go back to Anonymous. Anonymous and his partner have been together for about 3 years. And he also says things were fine until he moved to another province because of work. Now, his partner seems to have developed a drinking problem. She's now drinking on a daily basis, Monday to Sunday. He has confronted her about this, but she's blaming her drinking on the fact that he's now in a different province. He doesn't know how to deal with this, especially because she's currently breastfeeding their infant child who's only 8 months. Anonymous, we're on the same page, ne?
Yes, yes, yes. One simply.
Thank you, Papa. James?
How old is the child?
8 months.
It's 8 months.
When last did you see her?
Sorry?
When last did you see her physically?
Your partner.
When last did I?
See her.
It was last week. I ended up last week on weekend.
Or maybe he can't hear your mic because he hears me perfectly. So music.
He's homophobic.
Wow. No, man. Don't be like that.
Okay, let me change the mic.
Yeah, and then when you saw her, what other discussions you had with her? Did you let her know what people have been saying about her drinking every day, etc., etc.? Did you outline the dangers that this poses for the child as well?
Yes, I did spoke to her, but what was the response? She said to me she's not used to be far away from me.
But
she even did that while I was at home. She left the child with me and went to the tavern and drank.
yeah, so she was lying to you. It's a cop out, because my brother, if she's breastfeeding, come on, I'm not a health practitioner, but I know that's actually bad for the child, and she can never use that as an excuse, because at the end of the day, she's a mom.
Yes.
And she said she drinks because you are not there, but then now when you're there, she still goes back to wherever she's going to. So it's not an excuse. And why are you afraid to get proper answers? Are you afraid of losing her?
Because I've tried to report it to her parents, but nothing changes.
You're so busy.
I honestly think certain things can be beyond your control, or can be beyond your what like you've tried your best to assist. Have you spoken to her about her going to rehab or getting counseling? Because I think you not being there is not the actual reason. There's more to it. You not being there, it's not a reason for her to go drinking every day while she has such a huge responsibility of looking after the child.
You think she's addicted to something else?
No, she's just addicted to alcohol.
My question is, does she work?
No, she doesn't. Anonymous, does she work?
Sorry? No, she's not working. She's just selling this Nuka perfume.
What's that?
She's selling the perfume.
Uthengisa ama-perfume like lawo Nuka.
Wenuka.
La ama-perfume, ama-sprays and
Hayibo.
ama-balcony.
Kune perfume bathi nuka.
Wow.
Inuka kanjani?
That's a good name. It's a good name.
It smells very, very, very,
Nuke.
very
Nuke.
good. It's a good word.
Sagaraka. Okay. So she's a businesswoman. She's an entrepreneur.
Oh, entrepreneur.
Eh?
Sorry?
Philanthropist.
Yes. She's an entrepreneur.
Can you properly? Can you?
Right words.
But guys, so Mizi,
Zulu.
but Somizi Kuzo, if this person is really addicted to alcohol, you know, it's also cheaper when you buy it and drink it at home. But she keeps on going to this place to drink. And we know that this place does not necessarily have to be a tavern. And Anonymous, your friends are also not going to tell you other things that friends are not, that are too scared to say, right? Because she's a businesswoman, like Somizi said. She can be buying the alcohol and drinking at home. She's not drinking at a tavern.
Yes.
She's addicted to something else, guys.
No, Naked, I don't like this thing of yours. Stop it.
No,
Stop
come
it.
on. So,
Stop.
Somizi,
No.
why angaphuze endlini?
Akusindaba yakho. Mdala. I don't like this thing of yours of trying to create images on people's heads.
It's not that
No.
I'm trying to create an image, but I'm giving him a proper outlook
Not
to this whole situation.
No, Naked.
You know?
Don't do that, because now he's gonna start thinking other things, and then it's gonna make his blood boil and frustrated even more, because now he's away. Don't do that. He came here to ask about her alcoholism. Okay. Not her philandering.
I'm saying she's not addicted to alcohol alone.
No, I'm saying it's possible. I can khuzilizolo. Ngathi not every man cheats, or not every.
How? But she's a woman.
Yeah, khuzilizolo. And then today you are saying Anonymous's girlfriend is drinking and driving at the same time. Don't do that. Anonymous,
Yes.
do you think she's sleeping around?
I'm starting to think like that now, because when a person is drunk, she doesn't think properly.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, Anonymous, your thing is difficult, because I don't want to say leave it, because it's sometimes it's through thick and thin, but you've never heard those words because you're not married, dang it.
I don't think this guy can hear.
Anonymous,
Yes.
He can.
did you hear me?
No, I didn't.
Nyayeka, Niket sisala naye ngeke. I've moved to every mic.
Yeah. No.
Okay, let me change my voice.
Now I can able to hear you.
Eta, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sure, Antoine. I even forgot what I wanted to ask. Naked, carry on.
My brother, she's putting your child's life in danger. That's number one. No?
Yes.
Number one, she's putting the child's life, health, etc. And her excuses are not valid. Now, obviously, you can't force her to go to rehab. But first of all, you need to remove the child away from the situation. She can't be drinking every day and still breastfeeding.
Might be PPD.
Yin logo manje.
Postpartum. Yeah.
Yes.
Depression.
Postpartum depression.
Yes, the child is 8 months, remember. So it could be. Do you understand that, Anonymous?
Yes, I do understand. Yes.
What?
That the child is still young, and then she can't able to proceed with the drunkenness while she's breastfeeding the child.
No, I'm saying there's a condition that is called PPD,
D.
post
Postpartum depression.
Post what?
Partum
Postpartum
depression.
depression. Do you know that?
No.
Okay. Kuto,
So it's
as a woman, please explain.
Sure, it's a type of depression that can happen after having a baby. Nah? It affects how a mother or parent feels, thinks, and handles daily life. And maybe just alcohol is the way she's trying to cope through her daily life, Monday to Sunday.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do understand.
So,
Yes.
thanks, Kuto, for raising that, because it then changes the dynamics of this whole situation. You are caught in a very difficult situation, Anonymous, where you could either have stayed to support her throughout this period, but also there's a job on the line that you could lose. So you left. And some people would say, why did you leave her alone? You know, but you also had to leave for work. You understand?
Yes.
So it's a conversation that you can have with her to ask her, Tando-san, are you going through depression because, not only because of me, but do you understand that you can? Because some women, I don't think every woman understands what they're going through.
Exactly, that's what I was about to say.
And
she
you didn't
won't
say
know.
it. You chose not to say it. You looked at me. Stop
yeah,
it.
well, but she won't know it's PPD.
Yes.
You know, I mean, I mentioned the other PPD, but this one I think is a
Yes, because some people are not informed or educated when it comes to these things. Things like depression, a lot of people don't know that they are going through depression. They think it's mood swings, they think it's witchcraft and stuff.
Anonymous. Did she give birth? Had you already left the province when she gave birth?
No, I was still unemployed.
You were still unemployed.
Okay, so when did you leave home? How old was the baby when you left home?
4 months.
When I left home, the child was almost 4 months. Yes, 4 months. Yes.
Okay, and then
Wow.
what support structure did you leave back home? Because obviously you knew she was you were leaving, but she needed some form of support with the child as well. What support structure does she have? And nakayo phuza ushiya nobani ingane?
Mostly la ayophuzela khona bathi ufike athenga amabhiya bese then ahlale ngaphandle.
Ahlale ngaphandle nengane.
Ah,
Bese then there's a place where like it's a big place where you can able to sit. There's a building outside. So then he stays in that building. He sends someone to buy beers and then relax on that
Anonymous,
building.
you can't let umntana go through this. You need to do something. This is more than you relationshiping right now. You need to save them both, ne?
Yes.
So don't even speak to her. Don't even ask. You need to start actioning stuff. Where like mele manje, you know.
Can we come back? Hold that thought, please. Can we hold that thought?
Okay.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's come back.
Siyabuya, Anonymous.
It's 47 minutes after 10 o'clock. Anonymous, are you still there?
Yes, I'm still here.
Baba, I want you to speak the way you are comfortable in speaking, ne?
Yes.
Okay. Any language you can go. I just want you to feel comfortable.
Yeah.
I think
Also
we can do it.
translate any language.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
I will. Anonymous,
Yeah, but
speak to
What's
us.
your home language?
Oh,
it's Sizulu.
Oh,
Sorry?
okay.
Yeah, Huyabo.
yeah.
Okay, khuluma puti.
Oh, mina ngale ndlela ayenza ngakhona izinto yiyo inkinga engazi ukuthi mhlambe ngayicazulula kanjani.
Oh.
Benginesifiso sokuthi ngamshada.
Ifiso zenu zenzeka after abantwana nani. Okay.
Sicela ume ngomshado because akakhana ukushada. Nathi akakhana ukukunatha mnaka. For me, that is the biggest problem.
What language were you speaking?
Swati.
Oh, sorry,
Naked.
sorry.
Okay. I think we need to wrap this up and help Anonymous quickly and give South Africa a chance to help Anonymous. But all I can say to you is that it needs an intervention, a professional intervention, a family intervention. Ne?
Yes.
Please get professional help, especially when it comes to alcoholism, AA or something. Get family to intervene, because I'm worried about the child more than anything else. And if the mother is not in a good space, the child will be in danger in so many ways.
Yeah.
So many. Your child can be stolen. Your child can be molested. Your child can. There's a lot of things. We live in a very sick world. So please don't take this lightly, ne?
Please, Papa.
Yes, but yes, I do understand. Yes.
Okay, Papa. All the best, ne?
Yeah.
All right. Bye bye.
Yeah, all the best, Anonymous.
So, all right, thank you.
Thank you,
Sharp.
Anonymous, please
Thank you.
continue listening to the radio. Give advice, advice that is coming your way as well. Please, South Africa, if you have any advice, on a very serious note, any advice, social workers, A-man, anyone that can advise Anonymous, 086,000 2160. Let's go.
Hey, mara nawe.
Yini?
We asked him to speak ngesiZulu, so ukhuluma ngama intervention nan.
It's fine.
Like bekumela ukhuluma understand ngokuthi uzoxazulula kanjani problem. Yini intervention ngesiZulu?
Ile nto ethi eating.
Eating.
Press play.
Give us a call right now, 086,000 2160. What advice do you have for Anonymous?
My favorite line with this song goes, Simnandi stock fella.
There it is.
Kumuli prugo. Simnandi stock fella. Kumuli prugo. That's my favorite part. You know what Kumuli prugo is? Kuto.
Take off the pants.
Yeah, bo.
Yes.
Simnandi stock. Naked was right. I apologize, Naked. You were right about drinking and Kumuli prugo.
Wow. When did I say that?
You did. You said the lady when she's drunk, she's a dickhead.
Okay. Oh,
Yes.
thank you. Finally.
I apologize for that. All right.
I apologize.
We've got 3 minutes, South Africa. I know it's a little bit of time, but at least we'll squeeze in everything we can. Starting off with the calls. Sabelo, out in Brits, good morning.
Good morning, guys. How are you?
Good on you, Papa.
I'm okay, Mama. Just a quick one. So, this is actually something that is quite common, if you're from the hood. So, I mean, I was hoping that you would ask Anonymous, Ubuntu wakhe imali yokuphuza Monday to Sunday, uyithatha kuphi? I think that would have been, an important question. And then, advice, Anonymous. I mean, you can lobola the child, get the child on your side of the family. I mean, the lady needs to make a decision if she does want to be in this relationship. The guy can't just let him go just because he needs to be closer to her. Yeah, that's my advice.
But then, Sabela, that's going to take a very long time because she's drinking today and she will breastfeed that kid today. What do you say about that? Would you let your breastfeeding, your drinking breast... would you let your woman have alcohol and breastfeed your child?
I mean, it's really something that is not ideal when I need kid. Mara, as I've said, this is something that is quite common. We always
Hey, man.
So now, it's common. So now, if the guy could make a plan on his side of the family, as young as the child is.
Okay,
Right,
thank you.
thanks.
Thank you, Kabat.
Sabelo, thank you very much. Let's head on over to Melo out in Johannesburg. Melo, good morning.
Hi, team. How are you?
Good, thank
Good,
you,
good.
Melo. We've got 30 seconds with you, Mama.
No worries.
Thank you.
So, firstly, I think the one thing that we're really spot on with is in saying that Anonymous is dealing from postmortem depression. It is a very common thing, and Kuto, like you said, perhaps her way of dealing with it is through alcoholism. When Anonymous says "Utatumtana" and sits with the child outside, that for me is someone who is seeking some sort of attention. She is positioning herself for people to see and feel sorry for her in a way, and in terms of family intervention, I really don't think that there's much the family can do other than stepping in specifically for Umtana. But as far as Anonymous's partner's mental state, she needs professional help, someone who specializes with postpartum depression.
Sure.
Thank you.
Melo, bless you. Thank you, Mama.
So, guys, are we saying that if something is common, what do we do as a community? And is there anything we can do as a community, or do people just let it?
To be quite honest, there's nothing you can do.
No,
Nothing
guys.
much, because everyone is going through something. So it's like everyone for himself, God for us all. It's normal from way back,
Oh,
from when I
guys.
was a child, when I was
Yeah.
born. Yeah.
Okay, guys, because of time, I quickly need to find out where can we find you this weekend.
Audiogasm tonight, Saturday Sunsets tomorrow. Just follow me on the socials. I'm heartbroken right now.
Sorry, Naked.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tomorrow, Weekend Breakfast sounds good, 6 to 9, right here on the Mighty Metro FM. And then find me tomorrow at Hangout in Tembisa.
Nice one. Next week, guys.
Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.